in this video, I'm going to show you a live email blast campaign, why it works and how you could promote affiliate offers doing email marketing. Okay, now if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. So let's just dive into this video. Affiliate marketing basically means promoting other people's product and making insane amounts of commission. You don't need to build your own website, you don't need your own blog, okay? And you could promote any affiliate offer using the top affiliate networks like Clickbank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and any other affiliate. You could also promote your own product, okay? So I'm gonna right now blast one email out to my subscribers right in front of your eyes, and I'm going to show you what I done and how I done it and how you could do the same to start making some affiliate commission. So let's get into this video. Okay, so here's one of my autoresponder account is GetResponse. It has approximately just over 7,000 subscribers. All right, so I'm going to go to the report section, all right, and I'm going to see what kind of emails I have sent in the last couple of days. So let's just look into this. So I could see that I have sent this yesterday. All right, so I'm going to send this email out today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this message in a new tab. I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to send this email out to those people who hasn't opened my email. So I'm going to go to email group. And I'm going to put 6 and what was, I'm just going to put a title. Okay, I'm going to go to design messages, and it's very simple down here. I'm just going to go to the blank templates, use a template. Okay, this is called traffic on demand. All right, just drag this text down here. Okay, I'm going to come here, I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste it in here first and then copy it, and then I'm going to come here. All right, come down, let's just do this. All right, okay, so this is done. That's how simple it is. Okay, I'm just going to make this a bit bigger because it's a bit more better. All right, so free SEO traffic. Okay, there you go. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my affiliate link from this link here. Okay, and from the browser you will be able to see what affiliate link I'm promoting. So in this case I'm promoting an affiliate network called Warrior Plus. All right, so I'm just going to come back here, going to highlight this. All right, paste it in here, bold, make it bigger. Okay, so it stands out, make it a bit like this. There you go. I'm gonna come back here and do the same for this, make it bold, make it bigger. All right, and then paste that link in here, and there you go. All right, so I'm going to click on next. I'm going to scroll down and do a preview. If it's looking great, it is. Okay, I'm going to do the perfect timing. So basically this is what it means. We will look at when each recipient opened your message in the past and deliver your email when they are most likely to open it. All right, send a message, and boom, look at this. This email is going to go out to 5,500 people, real people who has opted in to my lead magnet page, similar to this one, who has shown interest in learning how to make money from home. Okay, so either way I promote offers, or either way I give them free gifts that teaches them how to make money online. So how can you do this? This is called traffic on demand. I didn't have to go out there and create a campaign. I didn't have to go out there and pay a network to drive traffic. I already have built a list, and I'm blasting an email out to real quality targeted subscribers who have shown interest in learning how to make money online. Okay, what am I trying to say here? The money is in the list, my friend. You need to build that list. Okay, the good part about this is you just pay money. If you're going to do paid traffic, you just pay the money once. You build that list, then you could repeatedly promote different opportunities, different offers, okay, and make affiliate commissions. That's the good part about this. If you're not building a list, you're just going to start all over again and you don't have a business. Okay, so how do you build that list? It's very simple. First of all, you need a magnet page, a landing page. All right, you could do this for free. You could hire someone. If you have HTML skills, you could build it yourself. It's only a 5-minute job. Or you could use a paid service like Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, etc. I use ClickFunnels. If you do want to check out ClickFunnels, the links are going to be in the description box below this video. When you go below this video, the step one you want to take is first click this red subscribe button, because by clicking this red subscribe button and clicking the notification bell, you will get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. My channel is all about how to make money online, working from home, job opportunities, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, lead generation, campaign creation, and how to build a successful 6- and 7-figure internet business from scratch, from the comfort of your home. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button, where you're going to find this below the video or anywhere on this page. Just click the red subscribe button and click that notification bell. That's step one. Step two, you're going to see a description like this. You want to click on this show more button, and when you click on this show more button, it's going to open up the whole description, and you're going to find a couple of links. Some of the links are going to be there for you for tools and resources for you to join and build landing pages if you want to. Okay, and you're going to find a link to the traffic source as well, a traffic source that will allow you to instantly start building a list, start building subscribers rapidly, fast. Now remember one thing, okay, in the beginning you might not make any money. Okay, that's how the process works. Be ready to lose a bit of money, but once you start building your list and start growing your list, you go to 5,000 subscribers. The magic number is 10,000 subscribers. Once you get to 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, you're going to have enough money to reinvest to grow your list more and more. So take it from 10,000 to 15,000, 15 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 100,000 subscribers. And the bigger list you have, the more money potentially you could make. I know one internet marketer who was crushing all the leaderboards on all the opportunities. And when I looked last time, he had a list of 555,000 subscribers. I know another internet marketer who had a list of 800,000 subscribers, and he was earning millions and millions of dollars online. The money is in the list, my friend. You need to keep on buying traffic. If you create a never giving up attitude, you will never fail. Persistent is the key to success. So when you buy traffic, you're going to buy traffic and you're going to start building a list, right? And in the beginning, be ready. You might not make any money. Don't worry about that. Your focus is list building. Just keep on building that list and growing that list, because once you get to 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, you're going to start seeing money coming into your account if you do everything the way it's supposed to be done. All right, so never ever give up. Just keep on buying traffic until you get to at least 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, and don't give up. Persistent is the key to success. You could do it through free traffic and paid traffic. I recommend paid traffic, because with paid traffic, you could start building a list instantly and start testing different offers and different opportunities. If you go to my YouTube channel, all right, if you go to my YouTube channel, let me show you my YouTube channel. Okay, if you just go to my YouTube channel, I have a complete video on traffic tutorial that you could watch that teaches you how to start getting traffic. So if you go to my YouTube channel called Clickbank Success, I just uploaded a video 5 days ago. Okay, it's called about Udemy, and in this video I'm talking about how to find real buyers. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have a complete tutorial on this. All right, how to find real buyers on Udemy. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to find a video called Solo Ads for Affiliate Marketers, and in there I walk you through on how to find quality buyers on Udemy so you could start getting traffic and you could start building a list. In the description box below this video, you're also going to find another traffic network, which is a very high quality traffic source that you could use to start building a list. Okay, so step one, you need a landing page. Step two, you will need an autoresponder. You could use free autoresponders as well. I use Aweber, I use GetResponse. You could use any of these. If you're a beginner as an affiliate marketer and you're getting started with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you get started with GetResponse for now, because Aweber has made some changes and they have made it a bit hard for beginners. So please get started with GetResponse. Also, for the GetResponse trial, if you want to get started with GetResponse, you could either go directly to getresponse.com or you could join through my link in the description box below this video. It's up to you. The links are all going to be in the description box below this video. So that's step two. Step three is you need to start getting traffic. Now, the best traffic source in my opinion is PPC traffic, getting it from Google, Bing, and Facebook. But as a beginner, when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, it's quite hard to get traffic from these kind of networks. You need a bit of experience. You need how to scale your business. So the best way to drive traffic is solo ads, and solo ad traffic is one of the network that I recommend is called Udemy. Links in the description box below this video. Make sure to check it out. Okay, so that's all for now. This is a very short video just to inspire you and show you what's working right now, and this has been working for years. All the top gurus, all the 7-figure and 8-figure gurus that you're seeing on the internet, they are making all the majority of their money from a list that they have. You see all these competition and contests, people are winning the contest. It's all coming from the list. So if you're still not building a list, you are missing out big time, my friend. So you need to build a list. This is very important. Okay,
so look, if you have a website, product, or offer, a company, if you're a business owner or an agency, you want to get more traffic to your thing, I'm going to share with you number one secret that most people miss it, but when you get it, you can take your company, your brand, your product, your sales, your leads to a stratospheric level. Let me ask you a question. What does Facebook, Google, Amazon have in common? Well, they're all, world's biggest brands right now, right? But there is one thing that they all have in common that they focus on like there is no tomorrow. You know what that is? It's the very thing that made them Facebook, Google, Amazon, and so forth. You know what that secret is? 2 words: data aggregation. Okay, think about it. Facebook is a free social media platform. How come they are valued at multi-billion dollar company? They're free to use. Data aggregation, right? Why is Amazon so focused on getting data from their users? Why? Because that's what made Amazon Amazon, so they can improve their stuff, they can scale, they can create better customer experience. Now let me ask you a question, okay? As somebody who is promoting things, if you're a marketer or an entrepreneur, do you aggregate data in your business? Now, when it comes to traffic generation, a lot of people, here's what they're doing. They're focusing on the wrong business model. It's an old business model. It's called platform dependency. This is where you go to Facebook, right? And you rely on Facebook to send you traffic. And then if Facebook changes their algorithm, there goes your traffic. Somebody relies on Google and somebody relies on Snapchat or Instagram, right? Or TikTok or whatever the next big thing is gonna be. And people are like sheep. They're just running to the next best thing, whatever the next hottest thing is, constantly depending on that very next thing, and you're being in the mercy of their algorithm. Does that make sense? We don't follow that model here. At Internet Traffic Academy, we teach something called data aggregation traffic system. This is where you create your own well of fresh water to drink out of, and you never have to depend on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever the next thing is gonna be, right? Who knows? But what we do is we take traffic generation in our full control and we call our shots. Now, I ran a secret experiment on this particular methodology, And we were able to generate, listen to me on this one, 17.5 million unique visitors, okay? Over 3.7 million leads, okay, that we can communicate to with a push of a button. How awesome is that, okay? That generated over $12 million in revenue. Now, the big question is, Vic, how much did it cost you to get those visitors? It must be a fortune. Well, what if I told you it cost us on average 7 cents to get a visitor? 17.5 million visitors. At average cost per visitor, it's 7 cents. Vic, it's not possible. It's not when you don't understand data aggregation business model. But when you understand this business model and you deploy it in your business, okay, this is what's realistic. Now, if you would like to know all about this, if you would like me to show you what we're doing, what's working for us right now, if you want to take your business, take your traffic generation to a whole other level, if you want to become a world-class traffic and conversions expert in your niche, in your company, you know, within whatever you're doing, check out the training that I just put out. And I'm going to teach you all about this data aggregation traffic system that can get you massive traffic, huge lists, insane conversions, big list of customers, and more importantly, the awesome life that you really want. I'll see you in the training.